So I've already done my eyebrows using the Benefit Cabra number 4, and now I'm going into the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop, taking the color Shooting Star, and I'll be using this color as a transition shade all over my entire lid, passing the crease and just blend it out using a blending brush. And I'm also going to take this color on the lower lash line as well. Now from the same palette, I'm going to take the color Potion, which is a orangey warm darker brown, and I'm going to put this on my lid, not passing the crease, just right below where I put the first color. Now I'm going to go into the color Elfish, which is a dark warm brown, and I'm going to put that on the outer corners of my eyes to give my look a little more depth. And also going to bring this color on the lower lash line as well. Now I'm just going back into Shooting Star and blend out the colors a little more. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation in Waterproof first. Now to lengthen my lashes, I'm going to be using the Covergirl Clump Crusher and mainly focusing this on the ends of my lashes. Now I'm going into the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to take the color Noir, a really deep rich black, and I'm going to use this as an eyeliner. Now I'm going to take the Hoola by Benefit and just use this to contour and bronze up my face. I'm starting off with the cheekbones, jawline, forehead, and then the nose. For lipstick, I'm going to take the Loreal Color Riche lipstick in He Thinks He's Matte-cho, and this is a really nice matte moisturizing formula, and it is like a warmer brown color and it's very comfortable on the lips. And now the look is complete. guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!